when I was in practice and making these connections between how a person is in their life and the life events that caused health and disease,
Hmm.
I asked myself, what is it in a thought, a stress, if you will,
Hmm.
for a life event that can transform a brain wave, an energy wave, into a particle? And that's where the double slit experiment came in, because
Okay.
all you have to do is observe the double slit experiment and you see a particle become a wave.
Oh, but then according to quantum theory, the observer, makes all the difference in the world.
I collapsed the wave function into a particle, into the chemistry needed not to be like my father.
Now, okay, so is that a particle or vibration? Because I understand that, in quantum physics, there's no matter. There really is no matter. It's all vibrating strings, if you will. And the only way that it becomes a particle is through our observation of it.
Um, it was the observer, the person who was doing the measurement in the double slit experiment, which the physicists surmised was part of the experiment. The act of measurement was an energy that collapsed the electron particle into a wave, and the proof of that wave function was that the waves interfered with each other as it came out on the other side of the slits, and as they fell, as the waves fell on the other side of the barrier, it set up the interference pattern that only waves can produce. So that's how they knew a particle turned into a wave, and the only thing they had as a variable was the measurer. I
Now,
looked at
how do you think we equate that? So you and I both, and I think we're both on this quest, is figuring out, okay, how do we integrate this understanding and make it practical in our daily activities as far as being co-creators and collaborators in creating the kind of reality that we know is possible. But where does that understanding of how the observer affects and is part of the experiment, how do we translate that into operational capacity for our daily living?